They did ask me to come out and do this show, but I was unable to do it because I'm between cycles. And the next time I come here, I want to come here with my brand new album to do for you guys. Now where my sexy ladies at? Make some motherfucking noise right now.
They getting kind of hype for Nicki Minaj. You might gotta give them another Nicki song in this bitch.
I want to say this. Shout out to this dude right here, Meek Mill, for having the hottest album in the streets right now. And if you ain't got DC4, get that shit. Now where my real niggas at?
Pop your shit, baby. Drop one of them bitches, nigga.